Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for your great support always. I usually don't take it for granted. By supporting me in this video, just do me a favor, ensure you like the video. I will appreciate you so much for that like. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for that like. Now, Kenyans, members of parliament are now furious because and following the disclosure that the Ministry of Mining, Blue Economy and Maritime Affairs revealed that it had spent 1.6 billion Kenya shillings for fish stock assessment in the Indian Ocean in the year 2023-2024 financial year. It is something that is shocking not only members of parliament, but also Kenyans. Members of the National Assembly's Department Committee on Blue Economy, Water and Irrigation raised concerns that there was no value for money in the exercise, as the assessment did not harbor tangible results. Now, the revelations on the expenditure of the assessment program in the last financial year were made by Cabinet Secretary Hassan Joho and Principal Secretary Betsy Muthoni Jangi, who appeared before the committee. Now, documents tabled before the House team, chaired by Marakwet East Member of Parliament, Kangongo Bowen, show a total of 3.6 billion that had been allocated to the ministry for the 3-year period to undertake a fish stock assessment exercise in the Indian Ocean. Now, Kenyans, the first phase of the project began on July 1st, 2023, was completed on June 30th, 2024, during which the ministry expended 1.6 billion Kenya shillings. So the undertaking that commenced July 1st, according to the details and statistics, July 1st, 2023, they said is set to be completed in the year 2025-2026 financial year and is to be implemented in 3 phases. And guess what? Already the money has been used, 1.6 billion Kenya shillings. That is what is happening. Now, Kenyans, I have a simple question. You want to tell me a whole CS is telling this committee that they were allocated the billions just to account fish in the ocean? MPs were not amused by failure of the ministry acting chief executive officer to offer satisfactory answers on exact figures with relation to findings from the assessment, as he requested for more time. And still you want to say that we should trust these individuals. You find that the expenditure is 14.6 trillion Kenya shillings. The money raised by KRA is 13.3 trillion Kenya shillings. It means the expenditure is higher, the revenue collected is low. So we are going to have a deficit of 1.3 trillion Kenya shillings. And this deficit, you will find the government rushing to borrow. After doing all this, the monies are being allocated to different ministries. Then guess what the Ministry of Blue Economy is telling Kenyans? That they were given 3.6 billion Kenya shillings and they used 1.6 billion Kenya shillings just to count fish in Indian Ocean. So the ministry, under now Joho, insisted the stock assessment has been done and that it will table a report on what has been done in last financial year once accorded more time. Yani munaenda tu Indian Ocean kuhesabu samaki. The question is, if the project is complete and 1.6 billion has already been utilized, why then are we budgeting for another 600 million for this year? Why? Why are we using again 600 million for this year? You mean these people are talking of some projects not completed because of is called out. How can I call them? Can I call them austerity? You know? You're talking of some projects not being completed because of austerity. Let me describe it like that. Austerity measures. But in the country yet, for this for this year, these individuals want 600 million more allocated to them to continue counting fish in Indian Ocean. That is what CS Joho explained, that every country that has interest in matters of blue economy undertakes this assessment to attract investors, saying the exercise is beyond fish counting. Then, come on, beyond the so-called the assessment. Then the committee chair, however, they were shocked. They were shocked. If the ministry has been given 3.6 billion to count fish, really, from our money, we as Kenyans, it is so pathetic, terrible Kenyans. And I cannot believe that this is how we are going to go. You just imagine we're having several ministries. We're having transport, health, labor, blue economy, cooperatives, tourism, foreign affairs, sport, road, foreign affairs, East Africa, gender and culture, education, all of them. Money is being allocated to these ministries. Then it means bigger percentage of monies are being squandered by these individuals. I was shocked when I saw that 1.6 billion Kenyan shillings was used for just counting fish in Indian Ocean. Again, they want 600 million more. Kenya panel. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? Drop your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, thank you so much because of your great support. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Bye bye till you meet in another video.